Hey there. So today we're going to be answering the following question. A company sells paint in containers that are right cylinders. It decides to redesign the container and decrease the radius by 5%. How much should it increase the height to maintain the same volume? So the first thing we do obviously is draw a picture. So we're going to go from this cylinder over here. It's got a certain height. That. So we'll call this, so this is going to be, let's say this is going to be the old container, and it's going to have a radius, and we'll call that RO for the radius of the old. It's going to have height O, so we'll do that. And so then the new container is going to have a radius of Rn, so for the new radius, and so we got that. And then it's going to have Hn as the height for the new one. And then, so that's old, this is the new one. And so we're also told that it decreased the radius by 5%. So that means the new radius is going to be 95% of the old one, right? So it's going to be, 95% of the of RO, the older radius. So that is going to be 0.95 times RO. So that's that one. So now we're also told that they want the volume to remain the same. So we're going to have the volume of the old one equal to the volume of the new one. And the volume for a cylinder is pi r squared times h. So we got pi r squared, RO squared, times h of O, right? And then the new volume is going to be equal to pi times Rn squared times Hn. So nicely, the pi's cancel, and then we're left with RO squared, HO squared, HO equals Rn squared equals Hn. So we're left with that. So then we can substitute. So we have RO squared, HO is equal to, well, we figured out just over here that Rn is going to be equal to that. So we can put that in there and get 0.95 times RO squared times the height of the new one. And 0.95 squared is equal to 0.9025, but we also have to square RO. So we got that. And just so we can keep everything on the same level, we got that. So now we have the RO's cancel on both sides. So now we can divide both sides by 0.9025. And here, so we have HO over 0.9025 is equal to Hn. And this is also equal to 1.108 times HO. So the new height is equal to 1.108 times the old height. Or we can also rewrite it on the right-hand side as 1 plus 0.1008 times h naught. And this just makes it a little more clear that we're going to increase the height by 10.8% because 0.108 is the same thing as 10.8%.